we'll start with an empty project. Let's again choose from one of our presets. Let's choose this one, the mosquito. So basically this preset is an audio track, mono audio track, where we see all of this automation, which is a position automation. So basically we press play and we move the particle around, and as time goes by this automation gets written. Let's add our microphone as well. Let me change the type of microphone to ORTF. For this example, with a lot of changes in channels, I think it works better. Let's find a sound of a insect flying, maybe a flying buzz, and let's render and give it a listen. And now let's add more mosquitoes. We can do this by duplicating our track. We can simply right click on it and select duplicate, or we can do Command D and it automatically creates a copy of the selected track. As you can see, the copy is an exact copy and we don't want that. We want to add some variation. So let's add a movement modifier and listen. Now what we can do is to add more copies, but with different rotation velocities. And we can add more. Okay. Making sure that we have all tracks with different velocities. Let's listen. I'm gonna finish with this simple example on how to create something out of audio tracks. Instead of having lots of particles, you can also use sound particles with a few particles. I really think this example shows that you can enhance the characteristics of sounds using sound particles, and you don't have to change the sound altogether. So we just changed the sound of a mosquito into a more realistic sound of a mosquito.
Yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said before, this tutorial was meant for you to learn new things about the software, also learn how to use it in many different ways. I hope this video enables you to do just that. Please feel free to contact us anytime if you have any questions, any suggestions, or even if you want the projects that we created so you can try it for yourself with your own sounds. And yeah, the links below are there for you to subscribe to our channel. And remember, always unleash your creativity with sound particles.